I got everything rounded up here. I got water, trowel, concrete, a measure, a gate, post hole diggers, the post, and the level. Let's get on out there. Okay, at least I can kind of get set up and get started a little bit. But we're all set here. Kind of a mess, ain't it? But we're only going to right there. So it ain't big deal. Just want to get it all out there. Pretty moon. It's such a soothing background noise, huh? So we're going to come up about 30 or 40 feet. Alright, let me get it all laid out. Nice and cool. Oh, this is almost tolerable. So the gate is roughly 16. We're 30 plus from the turn-in from the main drive. So if it's 16, it's 8. So 8 from the center of the drive is right here, and that marks the spot right there. So let's at least act like we're going to do something tonight. I don't think I got it in me to go 2 feet down, but I sure would like to. Let's get this gate off of here. I would definitely need 2 hands for that. Once you get past all the rocks, it ain't so bad. Come on, light. There we go. So there's your 2-foot hole. And I can prove it because it says 2 feet on that thing. Okay, so there you go, hold the hole. Let's put the post in there and open up a bag of mortar. Now, I've talked to a lot of people and they say you really shouldn't put mortar in these holes because it just causes them to rot. I don't know, maybe it does, but that's the way we do it here. Now, let's just carry it over and do it. I don't know what you can see here. I don't doubt much without much flashlight action. I can't use that because it flutters too much. Okay, let's see. Which end goes in? Okay, this end here. Oh. Okay, gang. You got to remember to keep the flat edge toward the road. It's not. There you go. Well, I kind of like that. I might have to dig off the sides a little bit. I don't think I'm going to do that, though. She's going down pretty good. All right, that got her down good. Maybe you could see that, I don't know. So I'm looking to have around 4 feet here. All right. So we're about right here. So we should be at 6 feet there. So, yep. All right, that's it. Let's go get some stuff. Okay, here's some stuff. Now, I don't want my camera in all this dust here. So, let's get this as level as we can and start scooping that stuff in there and pouring some water on it as we go. Well, I don't know what time it is. It's our time to go in. What time is it? 8:09. Oh God, I gotta be in by 8:30. So there you are. We'll drive by in the morning and look at it. And this is on my way. It's pretty straight. I put the level on it a couple of times. So that's pretty good there. All right, another YouTube extravaganza, huh? 8:09, God, I had to get to be so loud, I got all stuff to put up. All right, don't get out of your car unless you roll your window down a little bit so you can reach in case something goes wrong. Let's take a look at this post here. Is this Wilbur? Okay. All right. This is the next day. Good and firm. And that's good and firm. Nice and solid. We're about ready to hang that sucker up. Let me walk down to the mailbox. I saw the mail carrier drop something off for me. And we'll look back up the road here. And just can't get them to close the lid. Oh boy, HughesNet. Don't think so. Alright, so when you come up, there'll be a gate right here. And that's going to be fine with me. So it's going to be about that far over there. Now the trick here is do one post, hang the gate, put some air in your tire on that thing. Don't dig this side till you got your gate up. Don't just measure. Because if you miss it by a couple inches, you're going to look kind of foolish if you're too far on the inside. So, got to think of some kind of signage to put there, hey? Like, go away. This is that, I actually powder coated this. This is what I was talking about when the TR4 emblem blew off. Same thing here. I've been thinking about that TR4 emblem too. I have to do something a little better than that. I have to think of a way. Okay. Well, now we know what it's going to look like. It's got that autumnal feel, doesn't it? That's okay with me. I've collected up most of the hardware I think we're going to need to hang this gate. Won't take long. I think that's 3/4. I got some wrenches that fit fairly good. Drill. Let's go hang that sucker up. Well, let's take a little grease too, I guess. Yeah, I think that's the thing to do. Let's grab a little tub of grease. What a lovely blustery day. Okay, we're ready to hang this thing now. Thought I was ready to hang it. Ain't nothing there to hang it on. Where'd all that go? I guess it's in the back of the truck. Well, let me go get it. Well, at least I had the idea to rest it right there. So let's go get the other hanger thingy. And the pins are identical. It's up in Daphne. Okay, I got the upper part ready out of the back of the DAF there. So let's put this in here and get started. This is your key one here. So use that as a spacer. Let's get drilling. There's my spoon bit or spade bit, whatever you want to call it. I think that's 3/4 right there. Okay, X marks the spot. And just try to go as straight as you can. Alright, that's pretty good. That's a little off to the right, but that's okay. I have extensions for these, but that's just going to make it right there. So, alright. Keep purging the bit there. Yeah, I'm going to break my hand unless I use both hands. We're through. Okay, let's get her on the other side here. And then we'll drive her in. Should have brought rake down here, rake that out right there. Alright, they're a little off, who cares? There you go. Alright, let's get one of these. And a hammer. Set this sucker in there. I think I want a washer on this side. Yeah, put washers on the inside and outside. Oh, what a mess, huh? Okay, I think that's going to go all the way through. Let's double check her. Yep, that's more than enough. You kind of want this hole to be as tight as you can get it. There you go. And then, that's pretty good there. So let's tighten that up. I used to have still have it. I had one I use actually. The one I got is new. This is for mini ball, maxi balls or whatever. This is for shooting. And but I don't shoot much 50 caliber stuff anymore, so we're just gonna put that there and run it around and it'll be fine. Okay. Oh, okay. Keep that handy. So let's hook it on there. I probably need both hands for this too. Maybe not. Maybe I can manipulate that thing on there. Okay, and then there you go. Okay, and let it twist and hit the back of the trailer, and then we'll put the other one in and we'll have us a gate here. All right, that one goes into place. Get all that swarf out of there, whatever you call it, sawdust or drill dust or whatever. Alright, let's hang them up here. I don't have my tripod down here, but I don't think I need it. Let's put some lube on that and hang it and swing it. Alright, we got another hole to dig over there. Let's now, I kind of took this one in some, so let's just tighten that up. And see, the wind blew it around, so that's pretty good. Chain, I need another lock, and I need to eat something. Let's just see how this does. Get a rake, the other 6x6, and there's where you can put your chain in. So there we go. That thing there's okay. That's a solid rubber tire. Alright, there you go. So now we know where we got to dig. Right about here. So let's just put my screwdriver right there. Okay. And we'll put, that'd be about 3 inches in. That ought to be fine. Alright. Now, I've got this spindly gate here. It's just meant to keep people off the grass. But it is nice to have it there. I can just chain it right there so it won't blow in on your car when you come through. So that's something to think of too. You got to think of when you open it, you got to stabilize it. So that'll be fine. Just throw a chain around that. It'll be all right. All right, let's go. Here's my other 6x6. I found a nice lock, a bolt, and some chain. So I don't have to lock it all the time, but I can need to bolt it. Make sure it don't come loose. That's a lot of chain. I'll just wrap around it twice. So the carnage of war. I love it. Okay, let's go get something to eat because I'm kind of peeking. Alright, that looks pretty good there. Okay. That's 18 inches down. Got the concrete around it and everything. That ought to be fine. So let's put our chain on and we'll call this quits. Whoa, I'm a little shaky from all that digging. So there we are, locked up. I need to stabilize that tire a little bit, I guess, maybe. She wants to move around on it some. Let's go back over here and look at it. Okay. Man, I hurt my wrist a little bit. Alright, that's a little bit not quite so shaky. Okay, ouch. I just kind of realized it. Well, that's all there is to it. It just takes a whole hell of a lot of work. But I got the gate for free. And so, there you go. Let's back out this way. And there you are. Let's take a picture, send it to Mick. And be sure and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll talk later. And let me know if you're coming, because I got to unlock this thing, okay? Put it down in the comments or something. All right. Thank you. Sharing time with me. Talk to you later. Soybeans are just starting to turn, aren't they? Got that little yellow hue on the top.